Good morning. Today on the bench we have this very nice condition Aiwa HS-JX50. This one is also from Japanese specials. What do we have right here? Oh, no battery, no problem. Okay, so this one is equipped with originally with amorphous HX bi-azimuth head, so that would be very nice, and I will not have to do any conversion that I've done with earlier model that was I think introduced a bit later. So let's just dig in. Let me put in the battery and then we will check what do we have. Okay. Okay, so belt seems to be still fine. What about sound? Do we have something or not? Let's maybe turn on. Okay. No, there is just nothing. Okay. What about tape? Also nothing. Okay. So we all know what do we have to do. So let's start the repair procedure of this nice HS-JX50. Okay, so first of all, let's disassemble the device. Wow. Just wow. Look at that mess right over here. Jesus. That's how badly it is corroded, and we will have to deal with this. Okay, so instantly let's remove the door. So for this we will have to unsolder all the flexes. Sorry for the weird noises, but somebody started to build a house outside. The mechanical part doesn't look bad or whatever. Actually, it looks mint. it still has some. This one is with the spring and it's also fine. This spins freely. Good. Okay, so we'll do this part a bit later. Okay, so right now let's remove this headphone jack. And of course, all of the capacitors are filled. There is lots of electrolyte residue. Okay, so let's remove all of them. But before that, I think I will do deep cleaning. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so let's proceed with disassemble not disassemble, but let's unscrew this potentiometer knob. Okay, so let's proceed with capacitors removal. Jesus, this one is super damaged. Let's use Dremel. Let's try again. I hate those capacitors, surface mounted. They are a bit easier to work on. You just snap them and that's it. And these to remove is nightmare. Okay, so we have damage right over here. So we will have to repair this. No, maybe you cannot see it. I'm gonna mark it. Okay. So this track should go right over here. This one is also damaged, and Jesus, they look just terrible actually. Okay, so let's try to deal with that corrosion, and also one of the legs still remaining. So now let's do the cleaning process. Okay, now I'm gonna go outside to do deep cleaning. Okay, so I'm back after deep cleaning. Right now I will start soldering new capacitors in, and after that we will proceed with further repair process. So I will see you after soldering all of those caps in. So till then. Okay, so I have already soldered all capacitors. Also repaired that broken trace, and they have done service to the transport. So I oiled the motor, oiled both capstans, and also cleaned LT path. So right now I'm gonna be just installing back mainboard with all the parts. So I'll be back when I'll finish this. Okay, I decided to proceed it. Okay, so I have finished soldering those. Now it's gonna be bigger part. So let's grab that. Okay, so I have finished all soldering jobs. So right now I'm just gonna briefly test the device if it's showing some signs of life. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab the battery, some headphones, cassette, of course. Let's put it in. Okay. And moment of truth. Also, almost forget. Good. And what we will have? Okay, not that part, like this. Okay, this part is okay. Okay, we have something on the screen. Let's check the radio. And we have nothing. We have nothing. Absolutely no sound. Okay, so let me grab oscilloscope and I will see. Maybe we have somewhere something. Okay, so this is new. So this flex is totally actually gone, and I have not seen any broken traces or something like that. I have now just for testing connected directly to the jack those channels, and we have a working device. But this is radio actually. Let's turn off the radio. And this is tape. So it is working, but very poorly because azimuth is off, and also Dolby levels are off. So let me think what I can do right here. I think I will do something like this, but with much shorter wires, and we will just eliminate that that flex wire that's not working. Okay, so open. Okay, so I have ended up with this because that flex was totally destroyed, and I was not just able to use it. So this is how I went with my decision. And right now let's again let's do testing. Okay. Okay, so we have the sound, but we will have to adjust all the things. So at first let's maybe set tape speed. Let me prepare for that. Good. Tape speed adjustment potentiometer is right over here. So let's start. Wow. Okay, we are in, as I would say, yeah. Another side. I would say this is just perfectly fine, so I'm just not gonna adjust. Maybe let's lift this up a bit. Just a little. Like that. And then on the other side, what we have. Just very perfect results with this one. So right now let's okay, so right now let's adjust azimuth, and then we will do Dolby levels adjustment. So let me do azimuth adjustment and I'll be back. Okay, so I have set azimuth. So right now let's do a bit of standard procedure like tape head demagnetizing. As always, let's do some cleaning. They were still a bit dirty. Oh well. Okay, so right now let's prepare for Dolby level check and set. So right now let's set Dolby levels. I think I'm gonna make some kind of another testing lead, but with capacitor, because you all know that this is not very convenient. Good, so let's check what do we have. Okay, so first right side, okay, left side is a bit off. Come on, it's so inconvenient. Okay, so right channel is okay, left channel is 95, so left channel is this one. Okay, so this is it. Levels are okay. So right now let's assemble device and we will check it as always. Okay, so when I was doing some more testing, I have found out that one of the channels is lower, significantly lower than another one. And what I have found out that there was missing one contact from resistor R56, as I remember correctly. Yeah, R56 to R68, and after doing the jumper, that problem went away. So right now I will just assemble the device and we will test it with some music as always. Okay, so the device is finished. I have installed test tape. Let's check the radio. Oh. Perfect. Now okay, so works perfectly fine. Fast forward. Rewind. Play. Second. Okay, so this is it regarding this Aiwa HS-JX50. Please consider supporting my channel, and as always, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!